Hi, I'm back. So now, module 2 naman tayo, diba? Saving your future. Natapos na ba yung module 1? So, kaya niyo yung tapusin. Okay. So, the advantage kasi, why we wanted to create a video of saving your future talk kasi, syempre marami namang hindi nakaka-attend ng Makati, diba? And we wanted to reach as many people as possible. So, we are creating this video. So, kahit ibang bansa or sa province, o kaya hindi naman talaga makaalis ng bahay, diba? Who wants to learn? Talagang gustong-gustong matuto pero hindi talaga makapunta sa Makati office natin due to traffic or hindi talaga kaya ng schedule because night shift. So, ito yung solution natin dyan, okay? So, start na tayo. Again, let us start with our favorite prayer, the True Millionaire's Prayer. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. So today, I ask you to bless me so I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today, I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world. Increase my financial wisdom and expand my territories. I place my life in your hands. In Jesus' name, amen. Again, total financial solution. Memorize nyo na. Financial literacy. Nasabi ko na yan. Diba? House rules. Okay, not applicable. Step 5. So, tandaan nyo pa ba yung step 1 to 4 natin? Step 1 is increasing our cash flow. Step 2 is saving more or spending less. Step 3 is getting out of debt. And step 4 is building your wealth. So, step 5 natin is creating a solid financial foundation. Diba? So, how do we build a solid financial foundation? So, I will teach you a very simple concept. We call it the X-curve concept. So, simple lang yan, guys. Meron tayong isang linya pababa, and then linya pataas. Okay? So, we call them the red line and the blue line. The red line, the blue line, that's what we call the money line. Diba? And the red line, yan yung responsibility line. Anong ibig sabihin yan? When we were younger, nung nag-start tayo mag-work, di ba wala tayong ipon? Or, kung meron man, konti lang. So, dapat, as we grow older, yung money line natin, tumataas yan. Okay? Tapos, yung responsibility line natin, dahil nung bata tayo, wala tayong pera, mataas ang responsibility line. Dapat, as we grow older, bumababa yan. Diba? Paano bababa yung responsibility line? Kapag tumaas yung money line natin. Hindi po bababa yung responsibility line natin kung hindi tataas yung money line natin. Okay? Mali na ba yun? Okay. So, dito, ayan, savings, ano ba yung mga responsibilities natin? Food, shelter, clothing, education, health, and loans, diba? So, kahit single tayo, responsibilidad natin sa sarili natin. So, dito, because we have no savings, wala tayong pera, saan nanggagaling yung pinambabayad natin sa responsibilities natin? Sa sweldo or sa business income. So, that's what we call active income or we work hard for the money. Diba? Dahil active income ito, meaning no work, no pay. Diba? Walang customer, walang income. Kung sa punerarya, walang patay, walang kita. Diba? So, yun yung active income. So, dito, medyo temporary yung income natin? Temporary. Diba? Yung responsibilities natin, temporary o permanent? Permanent, din naman tayo na tumitigil kumain Diba? Clothes natin, may tayong bumibili. Diba? For people na madaling mag-umay. So, medyo mismatch kasi ang ating income po, temporary, pero responsibilities natin, permanent. So, ang gusto natin mangyari, magkaroon din ng permanent income. Diba? So, ano bang income yan? That's the passive income or money working hard for us. Yung kahit tulog ka, kumikita ka. So, yun yung passive income. So, Example yan, investment, real estate, 'di ba? Kahit tulog ka, magtatrabaho yung pera for you. So, masarap maging empleyado yung pera because hindi po yan natutulog, hindi nagrereklamo, di ba? Hindi nagkakasakit. 24/7, it can work for you. And loyal pa siya sa'yo. Diba? So, ito na pong passive income mo. Once tumaas na yung savings mo, siya na yung sasagot sa permanent mong responsibilities. Diba? So, dapat as you grow older, ayan, marami ka ng pera, you have created na your passive income. Diba? Pero sa life, we have an if eh. So, may if tayo sa gitna. So, if we die too soon, or if we live too long. So, ano bang gusto mo dyan? So, syempre, wala naman tayong contract kay Lord. Meaning, we don't know talaga. Siya lang yung makakalam. So, pwede ka pong mag-die too soon or pwede kang mag-live too long. Pag die too soon po, nandito ka eh. You have little to no savings pero mataas ang responsibility mo. Diba? So, anong problema mo dyan? Patay ka na eh. Diba? So, ang problema, yung may iwan na responsibility mo. Lalo na kung ikaw yung breadwinner ng family. So, what's your solution? Our solution is to protect your family through instant money or insurance. Kasi once you die, automatic, for example ako, mamatay ako na, I am insured ng 1 million. So, mamatay ako today, my family will automatically get 1 million pesos. Diba? Paano pa naman pag live too long, diba? So, anong problema natin dito? Nandito tayo sa mataas na yung money line, wala tayong responsibility. Ang problem po dito, ang haba po ng buhay natin, hindi tayo mamatay-matay. Diba? So, I mean, ang dami natin pera, pero hindi tayo mamatay-matay. Diba? So, the solution is to invest your money to protect yourself. Kasi, pag yung money mo po, hindi mo in-invest, ginastos mo lang siya, paano kung nagkasakit ka? Diba? Ang laki ng medical cost mo. So, yung big money mo po, mauubos din yan. Okay, so, diba ilan ng artista yung nabalitaan natin, naubos yung napundar just because of one sickness. So, you have to protect yourself through investments. Diba? So, yung money mo, you have 10 million. You invest that, tapos every year, 10% yung interest, it will give you 1 million every year, diba? So, you live on interest. Yung 1 million lang yung gagastusin mo, and then 10 million mo, nandun lang siya, intact lang siya, diba? Every year, just the interest yung ginagastos natin to provide for our needs. Ayan. So, ang strategy natin, reality check natin, diba? Ano bang nangyayari currently? Yung money line ba natin tumataas? O bumaba? Yung responsibility line natin, bumababa ba yan o tumataas ba habang tumatanda? Diba? So, we have to answer those questions. So, we have to build a solid financial foundation. So, bakit solid ang gusto natin? Para po matibay. Hindi kayang gibain ng kahit anong bagyo, lindol, or sakuna. Diba? So, ano pong ating pundasyon? So, long-term healthcare, and then protection, then eliminate debts, then emergency funds, and investment. So, ito, na-discuss na naman to sa membership orientation. So, recap lang yan. So, dapat po step by step talaga yan. Insurance ba lovely o investment? Ideally, dapat pareho talaga yan. Meron ka. Lalo na kung bata ka pa and wala ka pang nabibuild na wealth. Diba? Let me read that. So, when you buy a money machine, so for example, binigyan ka ng money machine, diba? You will insure it. Diba, kotse nga ini-insure eh. So, if the money machine is worth 10 million, you will insure your money machine so you get 10 million in case something happened with it. Diba? Para pag nasira yung money machine mo, mapapalitan. Diba? And guess what? You are the money machine of your family. So, dapat ikaw pinoprotekta mo yung sarili mo. Kasi, ikaw yung money machine ng family. Pag nawala ka, wala nang pamalit sa'yo. Diba? So, at least, physically, hindi tayo mapalitan. But the support that they're getting, the family is getting, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Because we remember to protect our families. Diba? Pero once na kunwari, 10 million na yung wealth mo, you don't need insurance na yun. Kasi, para si Pacquiao, hindi na nun kailangan ng insurance, mayaman na yun eh. Pag namatay siya, marami nang ma-transfer na wealth sa family. Diba? Ayan. So, kahit naman sa amoy lagay, insurance or investment, financial independence din naman yan. Yun nga lang, insurance, it's for your family in case na maaga kang kunin ni Lord. Yung investment naman, financial independence mo for your future and your family in case you live too long. Diba? So, dapat sunod-sunod yan. Health muna, then life, then assets. Previously kasi, diba, nung wala pa yung IMG, asset lang, kotse yung insured. Pero yung driver, hindi insured. Diba? Dapat po health muna. Kasi bago ka naman mapunta kay St. Peter, dadaan ka muna kay St. Luke's. Diba? So that's why healthcare muna, bago yung life insurance. So this is Rex Mendoza, the president of Rampwork Financials, ang ating investment guru and financial mentor sa IMG. Sabi niya, you don't have the right to invest unless you are properly protected. Okay, so ang term insurance, marami namang klaseng insurance eh, but pinakamura is the term insurance. So you just have to remember, lahat po na insurance, life insurance, term yan. Diba? Yung iba, kaya lang nagiging mahal kasi nilalagyan nila lang rider. Pero lahat po na insurance, term. Diba? So, basic concept ng insurance, basta po tumatanda ka, tumataas yung presyo ng insurance cost mo because tumataas yung risk na mamatay ka. Yun lang yun. Diba? So, pwede mong i-try term insurance na mura. Then, yung extra money mo, mutual fund. So, ako, ang aking investment strategy ay ayan. So, ang aking investment strategy ay bought term insurance, 3,000 per year, 1 million coverage. Tapos, lahat na ng extra money ko, mutual funds or real estate or stock market or UITF. But it still depends sa knowledge mo and sa discipline mo. Diba? So, yan, sabi niya, diba? This strategy requires financial literacy and discipline. Pag wala ka niyang dalawang yan, I suggest you just go to VUL na lang. Diba? So, ito, bagay to for people who are looking for affordable life insurance. Ayan. So ayan, ito yung ating insurance plan with IMG. So, for example, ako, age 19. So, that's just 2,580 per year. And 1 million na yun. Pag namatay ako, 1 million na yung family. Pag aksidente, 2 million na makukuha ng family. So, for example, you're age 40. So, that's 4,490 pesos per year. Isang taon na yan. And then, 1 million na yung family. Or for example, 50 years old ka na, 9,000 pesos lang. Diba? So, yun yung term insurance. So, ito, diba? Life insurance plus ADDD. Ibig sabihin ng ADDD, accidental death and dismemberment. Doble yung matatanggap. Plus TIB, ang ibig sabihin po nun, terminal illness benefit. Meaning, pag tinaningan ka po ng doktor, you have a benefit na makuha yung 500,000. Tapos yung paggamot mo, kaya pang spend ng time sa family. Pag na-outlive mo, kaya nabuhay ka pa na matagal, hindi mo na yun, hindi na yun babawiin ni Philam. Philam yung partner natin dito. Ano pa to? AAA, meaning anytime, anywhere, any cause of death. except suicide and pre-existing for the first 2 years. And then, pagdating mo ng 3rd year, pwede ka na mag-suicide. Pero huwag ka mag-suicide. Ayan. So, ano bang complete strategy? Diba? So, paano pag namatay ka agad, you need life insurance. Pag naman nabuhay kang matagal, you need long-term healthcare investment. Diba? So, meaning, kailangan mo ng investment para meron kang passive income. Kahit hindi ka nag-work, may pumapasok na income. Meaning, you need healthcare, long-term healthcare para pagtanda mo, may mag-aalaga or meron kang pang bayad sa hospital or maintenance mo. Diba? So, meaning you need insurance in case parang pang-protect sa family mo and emergency fund. So, we're very lucky kasi ang partner natin, we have a partner, Kaiser Health Group. They are providing yun, Ultimate Health Builder, na lahat tong apat, meron na siya. So, the advantage of that, isang investment pa lang, solid financial foundation ka na, yung pyramid mo, kompleto na siya halos. Diba? Actually, kompleto kasi you have investment eh. Ayan. Kompleto talaga siya. Diba? That's why it's our level 1 investment. Diba? Complete and integrated. And just for a few facts, 50% of our Kaiser funds nakalagay yan sa Soldivo Mutual Funds. And then 50% nasa trust fund, ANG and Deutsche Bank. Doon siya nakalagay ang pera ng Kaiser. Kaya medyo mayaman yung Kaiser eh. Doon sa mga kinakabahan, mayaman kaya yan. So, ayan, ito, I think, I have a separate video for Kaiser. Doon na lang kayo mag-refer. So, ito, why do we call mutual fund level 2 investing? Kasi, up and down talaga yung market. Di mo talaga masasabi. Diba? So, dapat level 1 ka muna bago ka mag-level 2. And ang ilalagay mo sa mutual funds, yung extra money, yung willing kang ipatalo talaga. Diba? And I have a separate video for mutual funds. Doon na lang tayo mag-refer, okay? So, bakit ba natin gusto mag-invest? Because we have goals. Diba? So, retirement, long-term healthcare, education ng mga bata. Diba? Yung mama ko, yung educational plan ng 3 kong maliliit na kapatid, sa mutual funds nakalagay. Hindi siya sa educational plan. Retire wife, diba? Replace your wife. Income, hindi yung asawa. Support parents, diba? Pay off debts, yan. Travel, house and lot and car. Yan yung mga reason ba't gusto natin mag-invest. Diba? And syempre, estate planning. So, we have meron tayong partner, IMAX. If marami na tayong wealth and we want to manage yung estate natin, pagplanuhan na, pwede tayong dumiretso sa kanila. Ang laki ng discount. Parang, if you're going to a lawyer, it would cost around 100,000 or more. Tapos, pag dito ka sa IMAX, parang ang magagastos mo, 15,000 lang. Because of your benefit as an IMG member. Diba? So, feedback. Yan, yung mga concept na tinuro natin, X-curve, rule of 72, pay yourself first, nakatulong ba sa'yo? Sa akin kasi nakatulong talaga yan. Kung nakatulong sa'yo yan, sinong 5 tao ang kailangan pang matutunan yun? Sa tingin mo, kailangan matutunan yung rule of 72, yung pay yourself first, yung X-curve. Diba? So ako, when I was starting with IMG, shinare ko agad yan sa mama ko. Shinare ko yan doon sa best friend ko. Actually, marami akong best friend. Pero hindi talaga ko sila best friend. Close friend pa lang. So, shinare ko siya sa baby bear ko. Shinare ko siya kay... I have a parasite friend. Then, shinare ko siya sa mga barkada ko. Diba? Siyempre, kaibigan ko sila eh. So, meaning, yung money habits ko, yun din yung money habit nila. Diba? So, I wanted to share because binago talaga ng concepts na ito yung the way I handle my finances na bago talaga. Kaya share nyo din, diba? Ayan, so actually ako, buong family namin, may Kaiser si mama, si Abby, kapatid kong lalaki, ako, tito ko, pinsan ko, yan, buong family. Diba? Kasi, how can you preach kung di mo naman gagawin din, diba? So, dapat pag sinabi mo mag-invest, ikaw din, sarili mo nag-invest. Diba? So, yan, ako, I'm already earning passive income from my mutual funds. Ayan, diba? So, actually, if you know PhilEquity, this is a mutual fund company. Noong 2009, ang kinita ng PhilEquity, 59%, diba? So, kung may 1 million ka nung 2009, magkano yung kinita mo? 590,000. Diba? Saan ba ako niya? So, ayan. Kaya itong sina Tito Bench and Feli, nag-i-invest na sila nun eh. So, yung 1 million nila, ginamit nilang pang travel sa Europe Marian pilgrimage nila. So, yun din yung peg ko. Yung parang kinita ng investments ko, yung interest, kunin ko pang travel or pang business or yun na yung pang gastos. Kahit na isang buong taon akong tulog, I have money. So, yun yung tinatawag na living on interest. Diba? So, yun yung mga coaches natin. If you are regularly attending Makati, sila yung mga coaches na makikilala mo. Diba? So, ako, I'm increasing my cash flow through the IMG business. I am a part of the business acquisition program. I'm doing IMG as a business. And to be fair, yung monthly income ko sa IMG, equal siya dun sa iniwanan kong monthly income as an employee. Yeah. To be fair. So, ito nga pala si Brother Bo. He is our senior marketing director. Tayo, medyo direct tayo kay Brother Bo. Ayan, so sino ba tayo? So, we provide total financial solution. This is our president, si Sir Joan. His vision is to teach people to save, Filipinos to save the right way and not the wrong way. Diba? So, ayan. We are changing the financial distribution. Marami tayong associates, part-time, all over the world. And binago na yung buhay nila financially. Diba? So, ano bang business program ni IMG? So, it's a one-stop shop. Mamaya papakita ko sino yung mga partner companies natin. You bypass the middleman. Meaning, yung commission ng agent mo before, ikaw na yung mag-earnan. You can create multiple passive income stream because marami tayong partners. You can have your own business na may sistema and maganda yung income opportunity. And you can build your business all over the world. Diba? If you will just be coachable. Ayan. So, you can earn interest income. Like me, I'm earning interest already from my mutual funds investment. Siyempre, hindi ko ginagalaw. Para mag-compound. Diba? Yan ang tinuturo natin. Compounding. And you earn by educating people how to save and invest. Diba? So, ako nung tinuruan ko si mama mag-save and invest, talo ba siya o panalo? Siyempre, panalo. So, ako, nung tinuruan ko siya, so, nag-invest siya sa Kaiser, I earned commission because nag-refer ako eh. Diba? So, si Kaiser sabi niya, thank you, lovely. Ni-refer mo si mama mo. And we got our sale. So, ito, as an incentive, we will give you commission. So, ako ba, masaya na may commission ako? Siyempre, di ba? So, it's a win-win business. Kasi, yung binili naman ng family mo, ng friends mo, it's investment. It's something that will grow and help them create their future, their retirement, and their wealth. Diba? Kaya gustong-gusto ko tong IMG business kasi it helps people become wealthy. Diba? So, yung kita ko dito sa IMG, pinang-i-invest ko lang siya. Hindi ko siya ginagastos. Ang ginagamit kong monthly expenses, yung kita ko sa virtual assistant. Diba? So, yung mga ganong techniques, you will learn it here in IMG. So, this is our partners. Medyo hindi lang siya updated. But makikita niyo yan sa ano nyo, sa member site, nandun lahat ng partners natin, okay? Lahat na yan. So, syempre, di ba lahat naman yan, kailangan natin para ma-build yung solid financial foundation o healthcare. Kailangan natin yun, di ba? Life insurance, kailangan natin yun, di ba? Mutual funds, investments, kailangan natin yun. Real estate, you want that. Car insurance, motor insurance, accident insurance, business insurance, travel insurance, computer insurance, lahat ng non-life pwede sa atin. Diba? And asset preservation. So, lahat ng financial lead mo, ano bang gusto mo? Kunin mo sila as a client, binili mo sa agent, o you get it as your own broker. Ako, personally, mas gusto ko, kunin ko yung investment ko as a broker kasi sayang naman. Diba? So, ako, we acquired all our needs as a broker and we earn passive income from our own one-stop shop. Diba? So, hindi ko na yun i-share. So, anong dapat natin gawin? Ano yung steps? Siyempre, use our spare time to increase cash flow kung kulang yung cash flow, okay? And syempre, continuously learn and be part of a community of investors. ING is actually a community. So, kung gusto mo pong maging investor, you go with investors, hindi sa mga spenders. Diba? Mas madali pong mag-invest kung yung mga kasama mo, yung lagi mong kausap are people who are also investing. Diba? And, lastly, if you want to be part of the business ownership program and travel the world and earn sina Tito Feli, 6-figure income. So, all you need to do, so, syempre, you become a member. Marami namang benefits eh. So, that's 3-7, yung membership, nagbayad na tayo na. Syempre, we own because we understood our solid financial foundation, di ba? Ikaw, mag-invest ka lang sa Kaiser if naintindihan mo why you need it. Ako, I have a lot of family and friends na they invested in Kaiser, hindi dahil sinabi ko, hindi dahil para sa promotion ko. They invested because naintindihan nila na, oo nga no, kailangan ko ng long-term healthcare. Para sa akin, para sa family ko. Okay, so yun, you just own. And then, if you really want to do the business, you just share it to your family and friends. Diba? To help create wealth for families. Yan yung gusto natin mangyari na hindi lang tayo yung mayaman, pati yung family and friends. Diba? So, this is Brother Bo ng 2013. So, hindi pa updated. Yesterday, noong 2016 convention natin, nandyan din si Brother Bo. And maybe we can update this portion dun sa message ni Brother Bo na medyo maganda. So, sabi niya, without you, many parents and grandparents will grow old and they will have no money and they will be asking money from their kids and you are their hope. You are their hope. God looks down upon you and God says, you are the answer of many people's prayers. I believe nothing just happens. May reason kung bakit ka naging IMG member. Okay, maybe there's someone close to you na kailangan pala ng tulong na baon na pala sa utang or looking na pala for investment or na maybe in the future magkakasakit sila. So they needed to invest in their healthcare now. Diba? So, there's a reason bakit kayo nandito. Diba? So, you are the answer of a person's prayer. So, vision without action is daydreaming. Diba? And action without vision will be a nightmare. You won't know where you're going. So, poor mindset, they just plan for the present. Isang kahig, isang tuka. Isang buwan lang yung tinitingnan. Isang cut-off lang yung term niya. But rich mindset, they plan for the future talaga. So, yan yung step-by-step natin. A recap, step 1, you increase your cash flow and then you spend less. And then you reduce or manage your debt. And then you understand, you study how money work para gawin natin siyang empleyado. Diba? Ikaw yung manager, tayo yung manager, and then money. yung empleyado natin. And then we build a solid financial foundation. Diba? So, embrace change. So, sabi nga nila, si Abraham Lincoln, sabi niya, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results every time. Tama ba? Tama ba? So, embrace change and expect to succeed. So, change your habits, change your way of thinking, be with a community of savers and investors, and see the world, diba? So, next February 2017, we will be in Singapore for our next convention. So, sama kayo kasi gusto kong balikan yung Transformer sa Universal Studio. And masaya talaga mag-travel, lalo na if you're learning, hindi lang para gumala, but for a cause. And our cause is to become truly rich. Diba? So, you are special. You know you are somebody. You're the captain of your ship. Diba? So, you have to set sail, feel the wind, and enjoy the journey. To be a truly rich maker. Diba? Sama ka sa amin. So, thank you very much. Diba? That's all for our Saving Your Future. Yun na yung summary ng libro. Kung hindi nyo pa sa nabasa, ito na yan. Ito na yung summary. So, thank you very much for listening. Watch out for our upcoming videos. Meron pa yan. And thank you. Bye. God bless.